The thing is, starting your own successful website from scratch is really difficult. And if you haven't had much success so far, well, it's no wonder. Just think about all the things you need to do to make your site a success. You need to spend hours and hours creating great quality content every single day. You need to somehow get lots of daily traffic to your site. You need to promote your site on social media to grow followers and fans. And on top of that, you need to somehow start making money from your site too. It's no secret that all of this is really hard. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of work. And what happens if you aren't an experienced marketer and don't know how to do any of this in the first place anyway? So just imagine if all of this was done for you with just one click. Imagine getting high-quality daily content for your site done for you. Imagine getting loads of fans and followers for your site on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Imagine getting traffic and seeing hundreds of new visitors pour into your site every day. And imagine if your site was monetized for you by experienced marketers in the most incredible way you've ever seen. Imagine seeing money like this hit your bank account day after day, week after week, month after month. Just think, with traffic, social marketing, content, and monetization all taken care of for you, your site would be an instant success, and you could just sit back and watch your PayPal account grow and grow. So what if I told you that it really is true, that you can get all of this 100% done for you with just one click? Let me